This short video is to explain the terminology and topology of an MQTT system and how it relates to the MQTT modules Cirrus Link has developed to enable IIoT applications on the inductive automation ignition platform. The two main parts of an MQTT infrastructure are the servers and clients. The MQTT server can also be referenced as an MQTT broker, so broker and server are one and the same. The server receives inbound connection from the clients and routes messages from publishing clients to subscribing clients. The server can consist of multiple independent instances for availability located on-premise, in the cloud, or both. The second piece of the architecture is the client, and this is where some people can get confused, since a client can be a data producer or a data consumer. The first one we're going to look at is a data producer, such as a PLC or an RTU, located close to your process gathering information. The first thing to note is that the client makes a secure connection inbound to any of the servers within the infrastructure. Once connected, the client publishes data only when it is changed, thus significantly reducing the amount of data traffic. Next, the client subscribes to information it is interested in receiving, things like control commands and configuration information. Now, if we add a second client that is a data consumer, such as a SCADA host or an HMI, it can subscribe to that data being published from the RTU and also publish controls and configuration information. With this basic infrastructure in place, we can now continue to add clients that are data producers and clients that are data consumers until our entire infrastructure is built out. One of the most attractive features of this topology is that you can add and remove clients and servers at will without disrupting the overall architecture. We have proven experience of this as a secure, reliable, scalable, mission-critical solution for many Fortune 100 companies for over 20 years now. Now we're going to look at how these terms translate into the Cirrus Link MQTT modules that we have developed to work in conjunction with the Ignition platform. You have a plant or a process that you want to monitor, and you have operators or an enterprise application that needs to see this information. First of all, we need an MQTT server. And for this, we have several module options depending on how many clients you're going to connect. 50 clients and less, you can use the MQTT distributor. This module runs within the Ignition platform as an MQTT server. Up to 250 clients, we have the Distributor Plus, and for anything larger, we have the Chariot server. There are many configurations for on-site and redundant setups, so it's probably best to give us a call to discuss your specific needs. At your plant, if your RTU or PLC don't talk MQTT natively, we have Ignition Edge MQTT software, which is the MQTT client data producer. Within this Edge application, we have a module called Mqtt Transmission. This takes any tags from within Ignition and sends them on change event using the MQTT protocol to the server. At your host location, we have Ignition Gateway. This uses the MQTT engine module to subscribe to the server or servers and receive published data. This module will automatically generate all the tags along with the tag metadata, for example, descriptive names, scaled values, units of measurements, so you do not have to configure any of the tag information manually. Now all you have to do is scale this out for your application. It's as simple and powerful as that. So to get started today with your free trial, visit inductiveautomation.com and go to the download section to download all of the modules for free. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to make your project a success. Thank you very much for your time.